Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by clarifying what staying a player means, specific role, time commitment, and rewards. Give the first actionable steps now. Set one attainable short-term goal and a clear schedule. Explain why. Predictable structure reduces drop-off and builds trust. Once done, make sure to communicate consequences and a single weekly milestone so the player knows progress is tracked. This immediate clarity prevents confusion and gives you a foundation to execute the next, more detailed steps. You now focus on the complex middle, habits that keep someone engaged over time. Implement short daily touchpoints and rotate responsibilities every few days so novelty stays high. That reduces burnout. Explain why each touchpoint matters. Feedback creates momentum, rotation prevents stagnation, and brief checkpoints respect time. Once those systems run, make sure to log outcomes and adjust cadence. Small analytics let you spot slippage early. Keep communication direct and actionable to maintain steady. You finish by wrapping up the process and giving a troubleshooting tip. Close each cycle with a concise recap and explicit next steps so the player knows what comes next. If participation drops, ask 3 specific diagnostic questions about time, motivation, and fit. That reveals root causes quickly. Then offer a 1-week reset plan with a refreshed incentive and adjusted schedule. If that fails, reduce expectations temporarily and reevaluate roles. This keeps options open without burning bridges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.